Welcome to Best Products. Best Robot Vacuum Cleaner Reviews. iLife A8 Robotic Vacuum Cleaner. The iLife A8 robotic vacuum cleaner can set to manually clean your floors by using a handheld remote, or you can configure the vac to clean automatically at a certain time every day. The iLife A8 has built-in iVoice technology so it can tell you what it is doing or if it requires attention. Also has improved stabilization compared with its competitors. The extra-large road rover wheels stabilize A8 as it moves across different surfaces and avoids obstacles. The Gen 3 Cyclone power system ensures enhanced cleaning effectiveness on all floor types. The side brushes effectively remove dirt and debris at corners or edges. The main brush rolls up debris on carpet and hard floors, and the powerful suction collects dirt and debris into the dustbin. Visit the description link for price and more details. Thanks for watching. Subscribe our channel for more videos.